time for me to go. I'll call you in the morning so I can let you know the way I really feel, girl, to put your mind at ease. If I don't, then who will? If I make it, I still want you to